अभी इतनी सारी बातें गुरुजी के बारे में हो रही तो I feel like saying something. People have spoken Guruji as a creator, Guruji the technical person, but Guruji like a mother and father. Because Guruji से मेरा पहला workshop जब हुआ, he didn't know I was married. And I had not told him that I'm married because I used to go in midi skirts and then change into a sari and do a workshop with him. And the next time he visited, I was with the big tummy. He said, ये कब हुआ? अरे शादी में नहीं हुई, ये कब हुआ? तो I said, गुरुजी मेरी शादी तो हुई है. अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है. So and then after that, the next workshop was after Bankim, my son, was born, and he was, I think he was 4 or 5 months old, and so, you know, my mother, like I say, you know, when people around me wouldn't have been there, like Mr. Avinash or my mother, my parents, like even for Daksha, the family is not around, things don't happen. But mummy, me, and my little boy used to travel all the way to the workshop place, and then she would be with him and I would be doing my workshop. And once Guruji was so excited when I first time brought Bankim to the workshop. Are tape record leke aana, tape leke aana, chalo. And Bankim, you know, and Guruji taped all that and he said, "Ye rakho, ye tumhari yaad hai. Humne iska, you know, the gurgling sound that a baby makes, humne iska tape kiya hai." So, how a mother would react to her daughter getting a baby, it was, Guruji was like that. He was my mother at that time and he was my father. And now I'm happy to say that the item that my students will perform today, it is a traditional Odia song, but the music has been given to it by my son, Bankim. And he has also composed a Pallavi for me. And I had asked him that, how the hell do you think of this? He said, I've been listening to it since the time I was in your tummy. So come on. So, and like how Guruji has, I mean, all of us, our husbands, even our children. Like, my son will not come here. Now I'm fed up of seeing your dance. It's too much. But he is still there. You know, Guruji is still there. When Guruji died, my son's reaction was, how can a man so full of life just die like that? He cannot die. I don't think he's dead. That was his first reaction. I mean, the emotional outburst. Anyway, we could proceed with the performances. Today, my students will perform an Odia Geet written by Kavi Banamali Das, which says basically it's Radha, but I have re-choreographed it as if there are 3 gopis on the way to Jamuna to collect water, and Krishna stops them and they just tell him, move out of the way, let us go where we want to go. I won't explain the whole thing, you all can see it. Bata Chada Suhata Nagara, Jamuna Jibi Nirani.
बाट छाड़ सुभद्र नागर যমুনা জীবী নীরবাণী बाट छाड़ सुभद्र नागर बाट छाड़ सुभद्र नागर बाट छाड़ सुभद्र घाट पाई जेबे नाट लगाइब घाट पाई जेबे नाट लगाइब घाट पाई जेबे नाट लगाइब प्रतिबंधा देवी प्रतिबंधा देवी बाट छाड़ बाट छाड़ ঘরে মোহনন্দ বড় ঘরে মনন্দ পথে বড় মন্দ শাশুমত আহে গিরিতে আহে গিরিতে নগর সুন্দর আহে গিরিতে आहे गिरिते नगर सुदक आहे गिरिते नगर सुदक तुम लागि न आसिबि तुम लागि न आसिबि बाट छाड़ बाट छाड़ बाट छाड़ सुभद्र नागर যমুনা জীবী নীরবাণী बाट छाड़ सुभद्र नागर অচল করিছ সজন তর নাহি পর তর নাহি পর বাট ছাড় বাট ছাড় যেবে ঘর আসিবি পারি মুজেবে ঘর আসিবি পারি সঙ্গে আইবি সখী শ্রেণী সঙ্গে আইবি সখী শ্রেণী যেবে ঘর আসিবি পারি সঙ্গে আইবি সখী শ্রেণী বলিব নামারি বলিব নামারি সুরক্ষা পুরানি বলিব নামারি সুরক্ষা পুরানি নিরাসন বাট ছাড় যমুনা জীবী যমুনা যমুনা জীবী বাট ছাড় বাট